Now in this question, menstrual flow occurs due to lack of option number A, progesterone, option number B, follicle stimulating hormone, option number C, oxytocin, option number D, vasopressin. This is also from the chapter Human Reproductions. So, menstrual flow, it occurs due to the lack of progesterone, which is given in option number A. So, option number A is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 71. Which one of the following is not the function of placenta? Option number A, it facilitates supply of oxygen and nutrients to the embryo. Option number B, secretes estrogen. Option number C, facilitate the removal of carbon dioxide and waste material from the embryo. Option number D, secretes oxytocin during parturition. Student, this is also from the chapter Human Reproductions. So, among these 4 statements, you have to select the statement which is not matching with the function of placenta. So, what is the correct answer? In the option number D, it is written, it secretes oxytocin during parturition. That is the incorrect statement, because the placenta does not secrete oxytocin. That means option number D is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question. In question number 72, it is written, one of the legal methods of birth control is option number A, abortion by taking an appropriate medicines. Option number B, by abstaining from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle. Option number C, by having coitus at the time of daybreak. Option number D, by a premature ejaculation during coitus. Student, this is from the chapter Reproductive Health. So, the question is, one of the legal methods of birth control is, which of the following is the correct answer? That is option number B. The legal methods of birth control is by abstaining from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle. So, that is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 73. Now, in this question, you can see which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis. Option number A, Klinefelter syndrome. Option number B, sex of the fetus. Option number C, Down syndrome, and option number D, jaundice. This is from the chapter Reproductive Health. So, what is the correct answer? Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? The correct answer is option number D, that is jaundice. Jaundice cannot be detected by this amniocentesis. Alright. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 74. In question number 74, artificial insemination means option number A, transfer of sperms to a healthy donor to a test tube containing ova. Option number B, transfer of sperms of husband to a test tube containing ova. Option number C, artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina. Option number D, introduction of sperms of a healthy donor directly into the ovary. Student, artificial insemination we have got in the chapter Reproductive Health. So, what is the correct answer? What do you mean by artificial insemination? It means the artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina, which means option number C is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 75. Question number 75 is, which Mendelian idea is depicted by a cross in which the F1 generation resemble both the parents? Option number A, incomplete dominance. Option number B, law of dominance. Option number C, inheritance of one gene. And option number D, co-dominance. This is from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variations. So, what is the correct answer? Which of the following Mendelian idea is depicted by a cross in which the F1 generation resemble both the parents? that is option number D, codominance. So, option number D is the correct answer. Question number 76. The incorrect statement with regards to haemophilia is option number A, it is a sex-linked disease. Option number B, it is a recessive disease. Option number C, it is a dominant disease. And option number D, it is a single protein involved in the clotting of blood is affected. This is from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variations. So, what is the correct answer? You have to select the incorrect statement with regards to haemophilia disease. Now, in option number A, it is written that it is a sex-linked disease. That is correct option. Next is it is a recessive disease. It is also a correct answer. Next, in option number C, it is written that it is a dominant disease, which is absolutely incorrect because it is a recessive disease. Whereas in option number D, it is written a single protein which is involved in the clotting of blood is affected. That is also a correct statement. So, out of these 4 options, option number C is the incorrect statement and it is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 77. If both parents are carriers for thalassemia, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, what are the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child? Option number A, no chance. Option number B, 50%. Option number C, 25%. And option number D, 100%. This is also from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C, that is 25%. So, that is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 78. In this question, you can see the diagram shows an important concept in the genetic implications of DNA. Filling the blanks A to C. Option number A, label A is the transcription, label B is the transcription and label C is the James Watson. Option number B, A is translation, B is transcription and C is Irvin Chargaff. Option number C is A is transcription, B is translation and the C is Francis Crick. Option number D, A is translation, B is extension and the C is Rosalind Franklin. Student, this is a very easy question and it has come from the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So, this is the central dogma, right? The figure which you can see is the central dogma. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C. Here A is the transcription, which means from DNA to mRNA the process is called as transcription, then from mRNA to protein is known as translation and it is proposed by Francis Crick. So, that is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 79. Which enzyme will be produced in a cell in which there is a nonsense mutation in the lac Y gene? Option number A, beta galactosidase. Option number B, lactose permease. Option number C, trans acetylase. Option number D, lactose permease and trans acetylase. This is also from the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number A, that is beta galactosidase. So, in this question they have asked the enzyme which will be produced in a cell in which there is a nonsense mutation in the lac Y gene is the beta galactosidase. This is the enzyme. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 80. According to Darwin, the organic evolution is due to option number A, intraspecific competition. Option number B, intraspecific competition. Option number C, competition within closely related species. And option number D, reduced feeding efficiency in one species due to the presence of interfering disease. Student, you can see here are the options given. In option number A, it is written intraspecific competition, and in option number B, it should be interspecific competition. Okay. So, this is from the chapter evolution. So, what is the correct answer? According to Darwin, the organic evolution is due to option number A, intraspecific competition, option number B, intraspecific competition, it should be interspecific competition, and in option number C, it is the competition within closely related species, and option number D, it is reduced feeding efficiency in one species due to the presence of interfering species. Student, this is from the chapter evolution. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number A, that is intraspecific competition. Don't get confused, there is a silly mistakes in the question. It should be interspecific competition and there is an extra due, so it should be correct. Okay. So, option number A, that is intraspecific competition, is the correct answer for this question. Question number 81. The eye of octopus and eye of cat show different patterns of structure, yet they perform similar function. This is an example of option number A, homologous organ that have evolved due to convergent evolution. Option number B, homologous organ that have evolved due to divergent evolution. Option number C, analogous organ that have evolved due to convergent evolution. Option number D, analogous organ that have evolved due to divergent evolution. Student, this is from the chapter evolution. So, what is the correct answer? The eye of octopus and the eye of cat show different patterns of structure, yet they perform similar function. This is an example of analogous organ that have evolved due to convergent evolution, which means option number C is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 82. Infection of Ascaris usually occurs by option number A, drinking water containing eggs of Ascaris. Option number B, eating imperfectly cooked pork. Option number C, tsetse fly, and option number D, mosquito bite. This is from the chapter Human Health and Disease. So, the infection of Ascaris is usually occurs by drinking water containing eggs of Ascaris, which means option number A is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 83. The cell mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by option number A, T lymphocytes, option number B, B lymphocytes, option number C, thrombocytes, and option number D, erythrocytes. This is also from the chapter Human Health and Disease. So, what is the correct answer? How the cell mediated immunity inside the body is carried out? It is carried out by T lymphocytes, which means option number A is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 84. In plant breeding programs, the entire collection of plants or seeds having all the diverse alleles for all genes in a given crop is called option number A, selection of superior recombinants, option number B, cross hybridization among the selected parents, option number C, evaluation and selection of parents, and option number D, germplasm collection. Student, this is from the chapter Biotechnology Principle and Process. So, what is the correct answer? So, in plant breeding programs, the entire collection having all the diverse alleles for all genes in a given crop is called as germplasm collection, which is given in option number D. So, option number D is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 85. During sewage treatment, biogas is produced which includes option number A, methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, option number B, methane, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, option number C, hydrogen sulfide, methane and sulfur dioxide, and option number D, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen and methane. This is from the chapter Environmental Issues. So, during sewage treatment, the biogas which is produced, it includes methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, which is given in option number A. So, option number A is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 86. A biologist studied the populations of rats in a barn. He found that the average natality was 250 and the average mortality is 240 and the immigration is 20 and immigration is 30. The net decrease in the population is option number A 10, option number B 15, option number C 5, option number D 0. Student, this is from the chapter Organisms and its populations. Now, let us find out the net increase in population density. First is the average increase in population density will be natality plus immigration, which means 250 plus 20, which is 270, and the decrease in population density will be mortality plus immigration, which is 240 plus 30, which is also 270. Therefore, the net increase in the population is 0, right? So, here from this 4 option number D is the correct answer. Alright. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 87. Which one of the following process during decomposition is correctly described? Option number A, fragmentation, it is carried out by organisms such as earthworms. Option number B, humification, which leads to an accumulation of a dirt colored substance called as humus, which undergoes microbial action at a very fast rate. Option number C, catabolism, which means it is the last step in the decomposition under fully anaerobic condition. And option number D, it is the leaching, which means the water soluble inorganic nutrients give rise to the top layers of soil. Student, this is from the chapter ecosystem. We have got all this term, that is fragmentation, humification, catabolisms and leaching. So, in this question it has asked during decomposition which is the correctly described decomposition? That is in the option number A, fragmentation. Fragmentation, it is the process which is carried out by organisms such as earthworms. So, this is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 88. A sedentary sea anemone gets attached to the shell lining of hermit crab. This association is option number A, ectoparasitism, option number B, symbiosis, option number C, commensalism and option number D, amencalism. This is also from the chapter Organisms and its populations. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number B, symbiosis, in which both the organisms are beneficial to each other. So, that is the correct answer. Now, let us see the next question, that is question number 89. Global warming can be controlled by option number A, reducing deforestation, cutting down the use of fossil fuel, option number B, reducing reforestation and increasing the use of fossil fuel, option number C, increasing deforestation and slowing down the growth of human population, and option number D, increasing deforestation and reducing efficiency of energy usage. This is a very easy question, student. So, what is the correct answer? This global warming can be controlled by reducing deforestation and cutting down the use of fossil fuel. That is the correct answer. So, option A is the correct answer for this question. Now, let us see the last question of this question paper, that is question number 90. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in option number A, 1975, option number B, 1981 and option number C, 1985 and option number D, 1990. This is from the chapter Environmental Issues. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number B, 1981. So, that is the correct answer. Student, that's all for today. Keep practicing and keep learning all the chapters. We will meet you again in the next session solving next year NEET question paper. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.